Hello viewers, today we have CZ75 SP-01 Shadow. It's made by ASG. It's spring operated, but you have nice sights on it. Yes, the front side is really fiber optics. Rear side it's normal. Funny thing is you can't lock the hammer down. So here is your safety. Up it's safe, down it's fire. Push button magazine release, but you need to pull the mag out. They will not fall out. Pull the follower down and you lock it here. Now you can load the magazine through this window. Push the button to the right and release the follower. By the way, safety on the right side is not working. It's just for effect. And you have also picatiny rail. Thanks for watching.